Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have OMG Network and we are going to see its recent price action, where are we going, and more stuff like this. Before we continue, join the monthly subscription. I have the link in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/Mind Your Crypto. You will get easy profits with an automated system with buying and selling opportunities and the manual system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell your altcoins. You will also get random giveaways, personal guidance every day, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis, and of course market updates and many more benefits. You can cancel anytime you like, so join in right now. Join our Telegram group chat as well. Hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. Let's go right now to see something very important and why you should be careful. If we go to the weekly frame, you can see that the all-time high is the 28.5 for OMG and not the 15 that some people were saying. Okay, so right now we have the 28.5 and we are on the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement on the weekly frame. So trade carefully. Okay, do not make any rush moves. In case we close above the 17.8 to 18 Tether USD, then yes, we can go maybe to the 22.4 or the 20.7 around there. This is another very huge resistance level. Okay, the 20.7. Here we go, 20.8, 20.7 around there. Okay, so in case we close above, then yes, but be extremely careful, as we met a very strong resistance level right here, the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement on the weekly frame. Let's go a little bit on the short term and on the 4-hour frame. You can see here we have a very high risk overbought situation in every indicator. Okay, that doesn't mean that we are going all the way down, but it means that we might be having a correction pretty soon. Okay, and we might be going a little bit down. It will be a very healthy correction, but I want you to trade carefully, as we have an extreme overbought situation in the short term in all of the risk metrics, including the stochastic RSI that we care about the most on an impulsive wave. Let's go to the daily frame right now, and on the daily frame, the SSL hybrid, we had a buying opportunity here, very nice stuff right there, and you can see how much we went upwards, right? So I'm going to close the SSL hybrid, and you can see that even on the daily frame, we are having an extreme overbought situation. Stochastic RSI is above the 80, the RSI is above the 70, commodity channel index way above the 100, and the Fisher transform has gone recently above the 1.5. Okay, so you can see that we have an extreme overbought situation on the daily frame. We are riding all the way the 20-day EMA for OMG. It's something amazing, and there we went all the way upwards. Okay, so pretty good stuff right there for OMG, and of course it has gone very nice upwards, but at the same time I want you to trade very carefully. On the 4-hour frame, on the OMG against Bitcoin, I will pass quickly the technical analysis for OMG against Bitcoin because we have an extreme overbought situation and I would like to see some important support levels. So let's say that we have a top around here. Let's say that our top meets around there or around here we are right now for the short term. I mean, okay, the top for the short term. Then we have some important support levels. For example, this one right here, 0.30, 34.47, and the one next beyond the price that I was saying before, 0.303270. Okay, so we have two price labels right here that we maybe go down. In case we go upwards, we will go to the 0.30s 40.15. Okay, we can go there, but for the time being, I want you to be careful for OMG against Bitcoin as well. On the daily frame, if we go here on the risk metrics, then you can see that on the daily we have a pretty high risk too. On the daily for the stochastic RSI as well, it is now in an overbought situation. Yes, we can go further upwards. Okay, we can go further upwards, but at the same time I want you to be careful. You can see on the weekly frame we are not even near the top here, okay, for OMG against Bitcoin, but anyway, please be careful, as you can see that we had a very this was not the top, actually this was the top on 21st August. Okay, we are not nowhere near the top for OMG Bitcoin chart. You can see that where we started and where we have gone over the last few years. Okay, so we are way undervalued against Bitcoin, but at the same time we might never reach the top right here. It doesn't mean that we will reach the top here or the top there. Okay, it doesn't mean that we will be going upwards. It means that we are way undervalued compared to the historical chart. Let's go to OMG USDT on the 4-hour frame. So in case we surpass this area right here, we can go to the 20 Tether USD. This is the next resistance level. Okay, in case we close above 18.2, but as I told you before, it is a very strong resistance level, 0.618 Fibonacci retracement from the weekly frame, and you should trade carefully. Okay, you should be trading very carefully for OMG right now, as we are on the 0.618. all right, so therefore in case we surpass the 18, we go to the 20, and of course we have the 23 around there, which is the 0.786, 22.5 actually to 23, I would say. So 22.5, let's find the price label right here. Okay, so it is around there. So this whole rectangle is the next resistance level in case we surpass the 18.3. all right, so therefore for OMG, I would say that we can go there, but we need first to close the 18.2. In case we found a little bit of a resistance right here, I will draw the fib retracement. In case we find a little bit over resistance, then yes, you can see the support level 16.5 and the 17.6, 15.6, sorry. Okay, 16.5, 15.6, and of course we have the 15 Tether USD and the 14.3. So we have 14.3, 15, 15.6, and 16.5 Tether USD. Are we bearish if we go here? Let's say that we go a little bit and correcting right now. Are we bearish? No, we are not. Do not worry about that. You know the next price levels, you know what risk we have, you know the next targets. It seems like OMG is making a fantastic run, and it has many chances of going even further to the 20 Tether USD. But at the same time, look at the weekly frame also. We have a very high risk. Okay, in every risk metric right there, we have a very high risk, and you should be trading very carefully the OMG, as I talked about the risk that we have. So we have the 17.8 to 18.2 Tether USD as resistance levels, and then the next one should be the 20 Tether USD. In case we go upwards, a minor resistance level, it will be right there. But I think at the same time, going above the 18.2 will get us to the 22.5 around there. Okay, we will see about that though, and we will see where we can go. For the time being, as we talked about before, we have one more at the 20.7, a very strong resistance level. So we shouldn't ignore this one right here, this resistance level. Okay, so the major resistance levels for OMG, I believe it is the 18.2, 20.7, and 22.4, 23. You can see Bitcoin has a cup and handle pattern right here, and we are very good for the time being. We just want a strong Bitcoin or going sideways a little bit so we can see OMG pumping up more, but we do not need that in case we just go and outperform Bitcoin all the days. Then OMG is very strong and we do not need anything, but please be careful. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. Do not forget to join the monthly subscription. I have the link in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/mindyourcrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.